แกตลกมากเลยค่ะทุกคนแกเป็นคนพูดมากมากเลย
And then if you come and have a look at the front here, there's the Jaguar there for
It's
you.
lovely car
Very nice.
very nice very posh
Well,
car
have a nice day and we'll see
Thank
you
you.
soon. This
See
is
you next-
Peter from Scarborough saying bye-bye.
bye bye
Oh, it's cool, but not her age. One on the neck. Just turned one.
Yeah, you try shoving one of them things down a 1-year-old's throat
Yeah.
and up her nose.
She don't like anything up her nose, Tina, because the corn tries to get dried.
Sleep.
Deep sleep? How long you been asleep, Dina? Look at your hair.
She doesn't know where she is or who she is.
Wait. Come on, jump in here.
You're gonna get in your prom.
See grandma.
Come on. Come on, Isla.
เพิ่งตื่นนะคะสลึมสลือเลย
Are we getting her in?
See Nana.
Yeah.
Two ladies together, love.
Two ladies together.
We've got the eldest denim and the youngest denim.
Yeah. The youngest. Oh yeah, Dana. Yeah. Yeah.
And the most senior denim. Isla denim.
And the youngest Dana.
Isla denim.
Oh yeah.
Yes, I'm here. Hello. Hello.
So you ring the pub. They open about 12.
Pardon?
You ring that pub.
No, I've been up.
Oh, you been up there?
Yeah. Nobody there.
Nobody
Shut.
there.
So I went to the door and the lady come and she said, Sacorn offer cuckoo. She said, no, we're not open.
Can you say สวัสดี to my audience สวัสดีครับ
Sawadee Kap.
ครับ
Sawadee Kap. How are you? This is Scarborough today. We don't live in Scarborough. We've come to see Nana. I'm called Peter.
Yeah.
I'm very handsome. I'm very good looking. So if there's anybody out there, it's too late because I'm married. But never mind. You may have your opportunity one day. Because we will be coming over to see you with Sacorn. We will be coming to visit you soon, hopefully. Fingers
Yeah,
crossed.
finger crossed when
Fingers
we're in
crossed. And
Thailand.
if anybody wants to come and see me, my name's Peter
Yeah.
and I'm very wealthy
And you're a lawyer?
and I'm a lawyer. No, a lawyer, not a liar. A lawyer.
Oh, what are we going to do today?
What are we going to do today? Well, what the plans are, we're going to take Anna Isla out. We're going to take her down to a open air theatre down there, and it's going to be very, very good.
Very
The
good.
weather today, it's a bit cooler, but still very good. So we're going to go down there, across into the little park, and we're going to take baby Dina. She's coming with us.
Very
Baby
good.
Dina loves coming out. So yes, we're going to have a great day. Aren't we, baby Dina?
You're brilliant. You're
Yeah.
better than Max.
Better than Mark.
You could be a YouTuber.
Ah, yes, I
You're
need
very
to
good.
learn
You're going to be famous now.
famous, thank you. Here we are.
Here we are. Nana here.
I'm just all up and slowly. You've got a
Let's
swing.
go.
Oh, never mind.
Wow. Hello, Nana.ดูคุณลุงพีเตอร์เข็นดีหน้านะคะ We're going to swimming soon, maybe. And yeah, and another place that is not far from our house. That yeah, I think maybe another swimming pool. Yeah, another swimming pool. The area is really good. Yeah, she'll love it. สวัสดีนะคะทุกคนช่วงนี้นะคะอากาศดีมากๆเลยค่ะที่อังกฤษเราก็ต้องแบบกอบโกยนะคะวันนี้พาคุณย่าไปกินกาแฟกันนะคะวันนี้เป็นวันเสาร์ค่ะแล้วก็คุณลุงคุณป้าปีเตอร์แล้วก็ป้าคิมนะคะมาจากอีกเมืองหนึ่งเนาะก็เป็นวันครอบครัวค่ะขอบคุณนะคะขอบคุณพี่ป้านาอาที่กดติดตาม Subscribe นะคะเป็นกำลังใจให้พวกเรานะคะไปค่ะเกิดอะไรขึ้นคะเมื่อกี้แวะไป2ร้านกาแฟนะคะปิดร้านแรกปิดร้านที่2นะคะท่อน้ำท่อน้ำเขาแตกเขาก็เลยปิดเดี๋ยวไปดูอีกที่หนึ่งนะคะเดี๋ยวจะพาย่าไปค่ะเล่นทะเลค่ะคนเยอะค่ะวันนี้
Just, yeah, in the distance, because the tide's in.
Just coming to you.
One picture of it.
Yeah.
She like those sit
She happy she go like
Like a dog.
biscuit. Put the other piece there.
You can't eat it all, I'll help you. You're not going to let me eat my sandwich.
Let Daddy
She
eat
doesn't
first.
let me eat. If I sit down for 30 seconds, she's on my plate.
Give him a bit.
Go on. Yeah.
Good girl.
โอเค
Could be a belly on Dina.
Right, get your sandwich quick. While she comes back.
When you walk around all the time, actually, just do that walk.
She's like an electric blanket. When you get near her, you can feel heat coming off her arms. She hates it in bed. She will not let any claws in bed. Just a no baby. She's throw them up.
orange pink look at that like a rainbow and the other cute
Cost too much.
Nice.
I like mine in the middle of yours.
Yum yum. Yum yum, Dina. Nice. Dina's biscuit.
Not all of it in, Dina.
Are they both the same?
Put it all in.
Yes.
yeah
Got one, thank you.
She enjoying the scone?
Brown sauce all over the white jacket. I'm sure I will.
Yeah, they're waiting for the cappuccinos. You've got your...
Pardon?
Yeah, last week guys at work said your exhaust blowing.
You're what?
Exhaust blowing.
Yeah.
Alright, I'll take it in. Thinking just a little exhaust.
Got exhaust all over you.
Ended up.
What's your face?
Ended up. Both back springs had broke. 350 quid.
What? Car? And we weren't here.
And something broke.
No, yeah. Both back springs clean off. Brand new, well, newish springs. This car's not that old. They just snap, crap design, he said. Yeah.
When you go garage. Always find something.
That's the first time that car's cost me out 3 years.
I got to charge them on.
£50 an hour mechanic, 2 hours labour's £100.
How much?
£50 an hour labour.
oh my god sorry
It's never been scolded.
No, normally
It's
me.
not now. We'll have to get some more food. Those two coffee now.
you're not wet
No, we'll just take. He went down the middle of the table.
The dog's happy.
The job does holes in the table.
Just let me jump.
Wet light, please. Not social with me crowd. Just try to eat with it. Keep going now. Of course, that will come off.
Remember it well. The joys of it.
Tu ancora? Di mamma tu ancora?
Ina, smile.
I'm taking that skull with me.
Take the bit of melting.
Car. Welcome, this is my car. This is a Jaguar. It's a very,
Jaguar.
very nice car. On an evening, all the lights come on underneath and little Jaguars come out and they run.
Yeah,
They
very
move like
nice.
that along the floor with lights.
Very nice.
Very nice car. Yes, we've been on holiday in Scarborough, so it's a bit dirty in the back. So I'm sorry about there's my work, big file, which I fetched on holiday.
Wow.
That's just one small
Are you
little
looking
job.
for another
Another
secretary?
Yes. Yes, I'm looking for a Thai one from Thailand. I will pay lots of money. And so, yes, that's the car.
It's a lovely car. Yeah, thank you.
It's a very nice car there.
That's a lovely car.
Come follow me here now.
แกตลกมากเลยค่ะทุกคนแกเป็นคนพูดมากมากเลย
And then if you come and have a look at the front here. There's the Jaguar there for
It's a
you.
lovely car.
Very nice.
Very nice. Very posh
Well,
car.
have a nice day and we'll see
Thank
you
you.
soon. This
See
is
you
Peter from Scarborough saying bye-bye.
Bye bye.